Hello, myself Shruti Shami and I welcome all of you to my channel. Today I am preparing halwa using black raisins. Raisins are a good source of antioxidants. They are rich in fiber and can prevent anemia. Raisins in the form of halwa is a rich and delicious sweet. So let's see how to prepare halwa. Soak 250 grams of black raisins overnight and coarsely grind it before preparation. To a heated pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Toss some cashew nuts until light brown. Once the cashew nuts have turned brown, transfer the raisins to the pan. It takes almost 20 to 30 minutes of time to reach the final stage of halwa. At this stage, it will start to ooze out the ghee and will hold the shape. Once you add in the raisins, keep stirring occasionally until the final stage. Add 1 cup of sugar. To a mixing bowl, add quarter cup of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix to avoid lumps. Keep stirring in low flame and add in the corn flour mixture. Slowly combine and the halwa starts to thicken. Keep adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee in between. One and a half teaspoons of cardamom powder for flavor. Add ghee. Almost 20 minutes, the halwa has started to ooze out ghee and is holding shape. At this stage, transfer it to a dish. After the halwa has completely cooled down, cut into different shapes and forms. Due to high calories, I don't recommend halwa as a healthy food, but it is advisable to have sweets once in a week or during special occasions. So hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, do give it a like and share it within your group. Hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching.